Hey everyone, welcome back to another Mountain Standard Time episode. Today I'm riding with Mitch and Max. We are riding Owl's Head today, looking like it's going to be pretty sunny. Riding 2025 Lynx Shredder DS 850 Turbo, 4100 aka 165. Max is on his Freeride Turbo 146. Mitch is on his Summit X 165 NA. Today we are took the Blade DS skis off, and we were trying the DS2s. So that'll be interesting. These are skis that used to come on the XMs. It's got a shallower keel. Let's go. A little bit of fresh snow up here at Owl's Head. We're gonna head towards the back and work our way towards Country Green. Look at that! First one's across Skinny Ridge today. Woo! Well, that's always cool being the first ones.
I was the first one across with two guys with me yesterday. First time I'd ever gone across Skinny with drifts on it.
Oh, nice.
Like first tracks in.
Yeah.
With Landon. He turns around at the one spot, it was a little tricky, and there I am doing the old like, turn your camera off. Doing the grandpa pull.
Yeah, interesting lighting right now.
Yeah.
Well, at least there's a track for you to follow.
Yeah.
So you can kind of see. Yeah, Mitch is all good. 100 kilometers an hour.
I could not tell how fast I was going or where it was.
Yeah, I told Mitch at the bottom, yeah, at least you got a track to kind of know where you're going. Kind of fun.
That looks like a lot of fun. I guess this goes to nowhere. My mistake. Goes to a sweet bowl down there.
Yeah, with zero track.
Well, you guys feel free if you want to. I'll wait up here. Are you worried about wind loading? Well, obviously, but I think it'll be fine, hey?
I'd say if we're not playing and like not
below that.
Yeah, below this and like messing around on this stuff. Should be pretty good.
Line should be okay to pull out.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Keeping eyes on it.
Yep. Max dropping in. Pretty sweet little bowl down here. Nice. Woo!
That is the stuff.
165 is like cheating.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have a peek at that face.
Yeah, do it.
Oh no! Can't see! Silly. A little bit steeper of a snow drift than I thought.
Drifty.
Yeah. Fun deer there. Thank you.
You bet.
Oh, here's a good spot to look at the DS2 keel.
Yeah.
So it is a lot less of a profile, and compared to the Lynx ski, there's just the one keel, not like the double keel. And so far, I've been liking them. Thank you.
You be okay there?
Yeah. Hello, I was getting stuck.
Atta boy. Back down instead. Holy schmoly. That's it.
I think I like the Lynx and how it handles better with these DS2 skis versus the stock blades. I rode it yesterday with the blades, and I rode it today with these, and I'm really loving how these feel. Crash tracks! This is what it's all about. Well, this is super sick.
This is unreal.
Okay, no brakes. Father and son, you gotta go weave your way down that gully part. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. This is awesome.
I'm 42K already.
Well, we're stopped down here out of the wind for lunch. Max has got his A&W and snacks. Mitch has got the tin foil with the parchment paper so it doesn't burn.
Always with the parchment paper.
What do you got?
Landon.
What do you got in there, Mitch?
We got pork and beef today.
Nice. Yep. I was lazy this morning and brought some canned tuna. You gonna eat that? Well, lunch was good. Now we're gonna work our way back up the hill. Oh! Sorry, Max.
All good, all good. Thank you. Nice collision avoidance.
Yeah, you would have had it if I wasn't there. I was like, "Ooh, that'll be sick to follow you. Shoot up here." Good old park job challenge. Only a park job if you can ride it out. I don't know why, but it seems like it's getting powderier. Oh boy. That was good going up there.
I think I forget to breathe.
Max and I almost had a collision again.
I saw that.
Following him a little close, and I'm forgetting he's on a 46. He needs to do them spin arounds once in a while.
Yeah.
This is kind of a drop. Fun little gap drop there. And Max is coming down. Nice. That was cool.
Sick.
Nice. That was neat.
I've not done drops this year. That's awesome.
Yeah. That's a perfect one.
Yeah, exactly.
That's awesome. Well, it's been a super sick day. We're kind of heading our way out now. Nice. That was sick.
I barely got that. I almost missed it. I thought you were taking a longer run in.
Oh yeah.
I did get it.
Nice.
Got that one.
That was fun. Well, now we're headed out. We had a ton of fun. Can't beat days like today. You'll be surprised with how different this feels with those skis,
With
too.
the different skis? Yeah.
Yeah. On Max's 146 turbo. 146s are so fun. What do you think of the different skis so far?
Yeah, feels pretty comfy actually.
Yeah, like it changes it a lot.
Yeah, big time. Especially in like low snow like this. It's yeah, it actually wants to go where you want it to go.
Mm-hmm. Going back towards the cabin. Wow, what an awesome day.
That was great.
Nice to head down a beautifully groomed trail. The Lynx today with these DS2 skis. Big difference between the stock skis that are on it and these, and I really liked how the front end felt. So if you're looking to improve the how your Lynx feels, the DS2 is a good option. DS3s are a good option, or even maybe the DS4s. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this as much as we enjoyed riding today. It was an awesome day. Thanks for watching this Mountain Standard Time episode.